What's up, guys? It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon. And today we're gonna be doing another reaction video.
Yay! I know some of you guys like the reaction video, so we're gonna keep it coming. We're gonna keep it going. Some of you guys who got no social media, man, if you got any videos you want us to react to, DM me or her, and we're gonna react to it. The same day, maybe. I don't know. So what we got going today, babe? So
today we got this video. It's called "You High Bro, Instant Regrets Fails." So his friend actually was your friend.
Oh yeah, shout out to my boy HEEM, man. He the one who actually recommend me this video. So shout out to him. I'm gonna leave his channel in the description, man. Y'all gonna show him some love, you know what I'm saying?
Alright.
He do Fortnite and stuff. If you guys play Fortnite, man, he do great content, man. Go check him out. Yeah.
Alright guys, so from the looks of this video, like he said, it's gonna be funny. We have two girls sitting on the stairs.
That's what the thumbnail look like, pretty much. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be funny. It say you're high, bro. So I'm pretty sure when people get high, they really do some dumb stuff. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen, man. Before we jump into this video, man, you guys subscribe, like, comment, share. Subscribe, like, comment, share.
Hit that notification bell.
That too. And get your popcorn, chips, and come live with us. You know what I'm saying? No. Like. Alright, guys. Let's jump straight into this video. See what's going on.
Here we go. Oh!
Excuse me.
Look at her eyes. Close your face. Wow.
I know she embarrassed.
This is me, y'all. This is me. That's what you get. That's what you get.
You said the same thing you just said.
Yeah. Go, Pops. Go. Ooh. He low-key could have. Nope. Oh, he ate dirt. Ooh. Look at the dog.
The dog is like, you okay?
Ooh. Why?
Why are you drowning in the water?
Why? Do that even go in water? I don't think that. She's like, I'm done. What's that, his neck? She gonna get dislocated. Ooh. Dang. Nope.
Kung Fu fuck.
Oh.
My God. How you miss?
Oh. What'd she do? No. Why? How?
Like them skin on that shirt says fish are tone.
Damn. She gonna fall. She gonna lose her foot and she gonna fall. Ooh. Look at him just looking at her. Oh! How'd you think it's gonna go further? Oh! Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.
That's me.
Get out of there.
That's me. I'm out of there. First of all, I'm looking at the doggy before I go into the girl.
Ooh. That's me and Granny. That's when she first rode with me when I drove her. Ooh. First you have high knees. Ooh.
What you want to get a hit under that?
That would have been over. Oh my gosh. You see his face there, Dr. Whip? That was dumb. Dang.
That jerked the whole bed.
Somebody fell. Nope. Oh, why would you do that? Oh.
Oh yeah, he'll have a bad back for the rest of his life.
Oh. High knees, fool. No. Oh, look at her face.
You trying to catch it?
Nope.
That man is too big for you on his back.
Wow. Nope.
Get a dog. Get a dog. Get a dog. Oh, that dog.
Oh. I'm gonna flip over. Oh. Please like and share for more.
Man, like he's jumping like a WWE.
Oh, she's a tree. Nope. Ooh. I look, he would let the bike go. Forget that.
I thought it was gonna fall back in his head. Nope. Nope.
Oh.
Sorry, nope. Y'all gonna do that.
Wow. Nope. Oh, get up.
Still trying to get a head start.
Wow.
Major fail.
No, grandma. Well, them curls didn't last it. Oh. Damn. Jeez. No, not the face. Oh, shoot.
You saw the way she jumped off? Actually, trying to do a long
Yeah.
jump.
What the heck? What you thought you gonna go straight through it? Oh!
What's the point of that?
Look at he stopped like I'm alright. I'm alright.
Spit it out back. That's seething. Say, I'm good.
You better watch that water. Nope. Dang.
Oh, I missed it.
Oh.
There she went.
Put it in the water.
He gonna follow this? What? Who idea was that?
1, 2, 3, destroy!
Nope. Oh, well, in the lane. Oh. Wow.
Oh, she got a job.
Yeah.
Kicking right in his face.
Mmm.
You see the back?
Hold it down.
I'm good.
No, you should have seen the last part.
What was the last
She
one?
ain't on the pole.
Oh. Oh. Hang on. Ooh. Wow. As I said, no grown-ups in there. No. No.
What is it on? What's that?
Run.
Was you trying to eat it?
He was smelling it. Oh. What is this, a wedding? What the hell they got on?
Get up,
She
Rocky.
said, wow. Ooh, that dog is so beautiful.
Not her after she fall.
Ooh. Wow. Why didn't you get off?
That happened to me before though.
Really?
Like,
Oh.
you see his head?
Yes.
He's like, are you good, Walt? Are you good?
What? Oh. Wow. You trying to get the dog on the cat.
Top of the thing, and whenever he opens it, then it's gonna fall on his head.
Nope, it's gonna fall the other way. Oh! What's funny?
You lazy, Papa?
You say, yeah, I'm lazy. Nope.
Boom.
Ooh. Hey. Why? Nope.
She's like, I'm done. She's like,
Oh my god. Babe, they should have put that song, Broo. You know how they do the challenge? Broo.
oh, yeah.
They should have did that.
Boo-boo. You're not supposed to have your phone.
Ooh.
Oh, you trying to...
Oh, throwing a bed. Oh, okay. I was like, why did he come back?
Ooh.
Dang. Ooh. That's a Scorpio. I want to do that.
Too, I like that.
Oh.
Fun, like, God, man, that boy turn that water up.
Where is this at? I want to do that.
Summer number 6. Here we go.
Oh, poor little baby. That's how JJ used when I used to have the vacuum cleaner. There you go. Ooh, she started coming back too. Oh.
Don't push it. No.
Ooh. No. Oh.
Man, what do you expect, man? You go so slow.
Got a little problem there, Henry? What's the matter, puppy? What's the matter?
Oh. Nope.
I thought I was gonna kick her.
I did too. That's what she get trying to throw that snowball. Oh.
Oh, you thought.
Oh no. That'd be something I do. What is it?
Is that a cat? I know a cat do that too.
That was a squirrel, babe.
Oh, I got that on camera too.
Nope. Oh.
I ain't do that.
Oh my gosh. That was funny.
Mm-hmm.
That was a good one. That is crazy.
Yo, I'm done with these people, man. Oh my goodness.
This video was funny. I think we should get our subscribers to send us videos that y'all want us to react to. Send it, DM us on our social media, on our Instagram, or snap us, or what else we have. I have my Twitter on there.
Man, any social media, I feel comfortable doing it.
Or in the comment section below, put the title of the video y'all want us to react to.
Or the link
and
of the video.
Yeah. And we'll go react to that video. This was funny. This was
And then we
funny.
shout you guys out. Pretty much, you know what I'm saying? Whoever sends the video, we're gonna show you guys in the video. Show you guys out in our video and put y'all link in the description below. So this video was not bad. It's actually, you think it's better than the one we watched the first time?
It's like neck and neck.
Oh. This one wasn't that bad, man.
But it tastes like alcohol. You put alcohol in this?
No. You trying to be funny, right?
Tastes good to me. No, babe, I was playing for real.
So alcohol tastes good?
Yeah. I like fruity aqua. Aqua? He said aqua.
Alcohol. How I say it?
Aqua.
How you say it?
Alcohol.
Alcohol. Alcohol.
Aqua. You funny.
Man, leave me alone. She always mock me every time I say something incorrect. Like, that's what we say about her. Oh, what are you trying to say? Trying to play me.
It's so funny when he says something. I'm like, what?
Comfortable.
Yes. Yes, comfortable. I be like, babe, it's comfortable. Comfortable.
I can't say comfortable. Comfortable. I feel okay saying like that. Comfortable. I don't know why.
How you say fuque?
Fuqua?
Fuqua? Fuque.
Fuqua? Man, I don't know, man. See, guys, y'all was trying to play me, trying to play with me. Trying to mock my accent. The way I talk. Yeah, it's so funny.
But it's also sexy.
Yeah, so sexy. White, careful.
Why I gotta be careful?
White, butt up on that.
White, butt up on
that. I kind of want sexy. That one.
You is sexy.
Alright, man, because you tripping.
Alright, guys, we like this video right here.
Make sure you guys like, subscribe,
hit that notification bell.
comment
below.
I was going to say up top.
Comment below in the comment section which videos y'all want us to react to. Don't forget to put that link if y'all decide to put a link. Or if y'all want to DM us on our Instagram, go ahead and DM us. Or if y'all want to snap us, go ahead and snap us, and then we'll get that video over to you guys. So yeah, Y'all remember that video, babe? It was like, you want a chicken? Look, you chicken.
Oh, that mukbang?
The mukbang.
Oh, yeah.
You want chicken?
You want chicken?
So silly.
Yeah, that was our first mukbang, huh?
Yeah.
Wingstop. Wingstop was heating though. I ain't gonna lie.
I want them rolls, boy.
I want them rolls, boy. I want them rolls. Them rolls, boy. I want them rolls. I want them.
Anyways.
Alright, man. We're gonna go ahead and end this video right here. You guys have a good, productive day. Be safe on the streets. If you want to be successful in life, you gotta hustle the hard way. You know what I mean? Success don't work overnight.
Okay.